Top 8 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1, Cadillac Eldorado, 1978 year of issue. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado. Has the 425 V8 with an automatic transmission. It is currently not running. We have not tried starting it. Body is in decent condition. Was told there was just over 7,000 miles before the speedometer was taken out, and it was parked. It was a theft recovery from Texas years ago. Clean title. Asking $2,000. If you like our videos, subscribe. You'll help us a lot. Number 2, Buick Riviera. 1963 year of issue. You are looking at a 1963 Buick Riviera project or parts car. V8 with automatic transmission. I feel that my price of $2,500 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one with the potential that this vehicle has. Number 3, Mercedes-Benz 250C 1972 year of issue. You are looking at a 1972 Mercedes 250C two-door sedan. This is a good running car with AC and factory sunroof. It does need painting. I feel that my price of $2,500 is very realistic for a vehicle like this one. With the potential that this vehicle has. Number 4, Ford 2 Dr. Sedan. 1948 year of issue. 1948 Ford two-door sedan. Has the flathead V8. Unsure if the motor spins freely. I would assume not. Body has some rust. Appears to be pretty complete otherwise. Would make a great donor car. No title. Will be sold with a bill of sale only. Asking $2,000. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 5, Chevrolet pickup, 1946 year of issue. 1946 Chevy pickup. Was someone's project, but unfortunately unfinished. Has an engine and transmission. The engine is stuck. What you see is what you get. No title. I will be selling this with a bill of sale only. Asking $2,000, located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 6, Dodge Dart GT, 1964 year of issue. (1964) Dodge Dart GT 2-door hardtop. Engine has been taken apart for unknown reasons. The rest of the pieces are in the trunk. Body has some damage. Floor pans and trunk pans are decent considering. No title. Asking $2,300. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 7. Chrysler Windsor, 1956 year of issue. (1956) Chrysler Windsor 4-Doctor Sedan. What you see is what you get. Drivetrain is missing. Would be an excellent candidate for a patina rod. Hemi. Body is super straight. Floors are not bad at all. Number 8, Fiat Spider, 1973 year of issue. 73 Fiat Spider. Runs and is drivable, new tires. I think it needs a new water pump and all around a great project car. Needs repainted and has some rust. And a few dings here and there. Sold as is. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.